Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Study with Sharma. So today I'm going to do a challenge. You must be seeing in the title. So today's challenge is speaking English for 24 hours. It's gonna be so tough. I know how to speak English, but I have speak English at least for 15 minutes, 10 minutes. But now I have to speak till 24 hours. And every single word should be in English. It's gonna be so tough, literally. Okay, so let's start the challenge without wasting any time. So please like my channel and subscribe also. And share with your friends, family, friends. So my slippers, I'm going to wear my slippers. And let's go out and see what the other family members are doing. So I came in my room. So hi daddy. So his phone. Bye daddy. I came in the kitchen and I don't want to eat something. I have not taken bath yet. I will take bath till 1 o'clock. Sometimes I take bath and then sit in the class. But sometimes I feel really like I don't want to do. I feel really like lazy person. Couch potato. You know na couch potato. So what can we do here? Namkeen. So we can eat this namkeen here. I am really hungry. No, actually, I think my mother made chillas for me. So guys, now it is my dance class. So let's attend that dance class. My dance class. So I will hide my camera. So like my dancer can't see. So I will hide my camera here. Here. So I can hide my camera here. So you can see me easily. Like dancing. Yeah, I'm hiding my camera here. I'm oning the fan. No, I'm switching on the fan because it's really hot in Raebareli. So maybe in Mumbai also, but still I'm switching on it. So guys, I'm going to switch on my laptop and then I will attend the dance class. It's like for 5-10 minutes. Then it's over. So let's do that. Anybody doesn't know that I have started this challenge except my family members. Even my classmates. No, my classmates doesn't know that I have started this challenge, but I will remind them. I told them in the video call, but they maybe not. Right. So I'm going to. Sir, can you hear me? Okay, sir. So I need to dance. can see me like doing like this. So this was my a dance step. I can show you where. And literally, guys, my laptop got shut down. So guys, when my dance class will get over, then I will meet you soon. So, boom. So my classes are over, guys. No, not my 3 classes are left now. So I have attended my dance class. I have attended my Hindi class. Now it is break for 20 minutes. 20 minutes, yes, finally. And then I need to do my rest 3 classes and then finish. And then I will go to take bath and then I will study. And after that, I will eat my lunch, and then I will go to my Didi's house, my sister's house. She will come to pick up me, and then we both will go to her house, and I will excited for all rest of my day. I'm really tired because it was a dance class and we took the test and I got 10 out of 10 in dance test. It was really tough. So let's sit in the drawing room. Video. So guys, I will like to talk to you later. Again I came in the kitchen. Not again. So I have my leftover chilla. Let's eat this. Let's taste it. It's good. I will take my this chilla in the my classes are not going on now. Pick my chilla. That's good. So, what are you having for breakfast? Like, what are you having for breakfast? I want me to see that. Pancakes? I am having this chilla. Yeah. Amazing. I'm really hungry. This much is left. I will finish this within an hour. Sorry. I will finish this within a minute. At least 2 minutes. That's it. Water. It's good to drink here. And then my slippers. And then I go. The glass is here. I will take this glass. That's it. I'm done with my breakfast. I have drank milk. Oh. I'm really tired, guys. Really tired. So, guys, okay, I will meet you soon. Boom! Hi, guys. So, ये है पार्ट 2. तो ये पार्ट 1 था और अभी ये ऐसे करके पार्ट 2 था. तो ये और मैं कैसी लगी हूँ, like how am I looking? So there was a challenge, you remember now? Speaking English for 24 hours. So I need to speak English now. And it's I will check in my watch. It's almost 2 o'clock. So guys, at 2 o'clock, no, not at 2 o'clock. At 4 o'clock, I will call my sister. And then we both will play here. And then I will introduce to her. I think in the Raksha Bandhan vlog, I introduced to you. No, I mean to say that I think at Raksha Bandhan vlog, Khushi Didi came. And I introduced her to you. She also has a channel, Shambhavi Shukla. So please subscribe my sister's channel. So what can we do now? You know, guys, this is can you see this? What this is written? It's written Rida. You know who is Rida? She is my best friend and like a sister, twin sister, and she is really nice. And I'm missing her. That's why I have her bracelet she gave me, that if you missed me, you can see this and remember me. So I also gave my bracelet to her and she gave me her bracelet. It's so sweet. I will keep this safely. Can I also I'll keep this safely. I have keep this in this cup. So let's do something. So now I need to speak English for 24 hours. And I told you that I need to speak everything in English, every single word. Literally, it's gonna be very tough challenge. So guys, till that I can introduce this game, Incredible India. Ouch! So guys, my next video will, after this video, my next video will come at Friday. My next video will come at Friday, 4 p.m. So please do watch that. And it would be a study video. And after that, next Monday, my video will come. And it would be of Incredible India. So I'm excited. And I would like to, and there would be many videos. And please subscribe my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. And press that dinga bell, otherwise you will not get notification when my video will come. So let me open this. So there are some Incredible India. So I will not introduce this Incredible India now in this video. I will introduce this Incredible India in another video, not now. So I'll keep this aside and let's go out. Okay, not now. We will not go out. So what can we do? Let's see. Whew. So I would like to tell you a joke. But what joke? Yeah, I have a joke. So there was an Indian boy. He went to America for a job. He wanted to become a doctor, and then he opened his own clinic. And in that clinic, he wrote at the title. He wrote that you can do the operation, surgery, anything, and in the above title it was written, you can come here and do anything, like any surgery, operation, or any checkup, mental certificate you can do. And if the surgery, everything is successful, you need to give 500 rupees to me. And if it would be not successful, you can get 1000 rupees back. So one American came and thought, yeah, this is a nice way to earn money. So then he went in that clinic and told the doctor, I can't, I eat something, like suppose I eat that bitter gourd, but I can't taste it. The taste is not coming only. Can you please check? And then the doctor told, okay, nurse, please remove one medicine from box number 22 and bring that 3 drops of medicines and make him drink. Then he drank that medicine, only 3 drops. Then the American told that, oh no, this is a petrol. Why you make me drink petrol? And then the doctor told, congratulations, you can sense the taste. Then he gave 500 rupees to him. And then again he went, and then he told that my brain is not working, I can't remember anything. And then the doctor told, okay, nurse, remove one medicine from box number 22. And then American told, arey no, that medicine is for the taste, no? So why you are making me drink that? So then doctor told, oh, congratulations, your brain is working. You remember the thing, you remember the medicine, you remember the box I gave you yesterday. So then again he gave the 500 rupees, and then he got really, angry. And then he again went, and then he told, I can't see anything, I'm blind. And then the doctor told, oh no, I don't have any medicine, any operation, any surgery for that. You can take this 5,000 rupees and go. Then he gave the 1,000 rupees, but that was not 1,000 rupees. That was a note of 500. But then the American boy can't see. But still he told that, arey, this is the 500 ka note. And then doctor told, oh, congratulations, you can see that by your sense now that there is a 500 note, not 1,000 rupee note. Give me my 500 back. So guys, if you understand the joke, okay, so please like my channel if you like this joke. Now what can we do? Idea. Let's go out. We will just take a round of whole house. So this is my door. I'm gonna open it, and I'm going in my door. So guys, now I'm in the kitchen. So guys, I'm in the kitchen now. Oh. I have an idea, guys. Let's remove the slippers out. Go ahead. Let's switch off the fan. I want to show you something. See, there is my grandfather. Hello, Tiwari ji. My grandfather is there. You can see my grandfather from there in green t-shirt. He's sleeping. I call him Tiwari ji instead of grandfather. So what can see? This is for Janmashtami. Okay. So August is going, right? And August is full of festivals. Independence Day, Friendship Day, blah blah blah. Now, at 30 August, Janmashtami is coming. Now, Janmashtami is a celebration. At that day, Krishna ji was born. I guess Krishna ji was, that is the day for Krishna ji only. Krishna ji? Yes? Yeah. Krishna ji, I love Krishna ji. I love his photos like Makhan Chor. Oh, I have this mehndi. Should I make a design on my hand? No, actually I hate mehndi. Mehndi smell is so bad. But still, I have my name from mehndi. You can see now, Shimmer. It's written from mehndi only. You can see my watch. So I have this speaker also. Speakers. Speakers, you can see. And there are 2 more speakers, but they are kept in that room. And this is my room. I always come in Raebareli and always stay there. How do you like my room? And that is Mandir. So here at that Mandir we do puja. Puja. So what can we do now? So it is now 2:10. I will call my sister at 4 o'clock or 3:30 and I will introduce her. No, I have already introduced, but still, she has, whenever she comes at my house I always used to call her in my room. Always. You can see now also. Now, at 4 o'clock. And we used to do pillow fight. I used to do pillow fight with my sister. And at 4 o'clock, my sister will come. Then, at 4 o'clock at evening. See, it is 2:11. At 4 o'clock, I will call my sister. And then we used to do pillow fight. Now also we will do pillow fight only. Yeah. So, let's do champion. Should I sleep? No. So, I want to show you a dance. Now my classes were going on when I start making this video. My classes were going on. My dance class was going on, and then my dancer taught me a step, and I want to show you a step that my sir taught me. So, you want to see my step? Ouch! These are some, accessories that are, there are some, designs. Okay, 3, 2, 1, start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then these all are the steps my sir taught me today. How you like that? You must have heard that song. So this is my t-shirt. Canada. I hate Canada. But there is my best friend in Canada. Her name is Anusha. Anusha. She's gone now in Canada. But I hate Canada, seriously. Still, if there is my best friend, still I hate Canada. I love my India. I love America more than Canada. I hate Canada, guys. Seriously, literally, I hate Canada. I love India. I love India as the first country in my brain. And second, America. Yeah, America. Third, London. Only 3. And fourth, Switzerland. So if I want to sing a song, I only can say a English song, not a Hindi song. Any, now, every single word should be in English, not a single word in Hindi. Why I have taken this challenge? Who gave me this challenge? Who challenged me? My sister. No, not my sister challenged me. My mother challenged me. She told that, can you speak English for 24 hours? No, my classes were going on. My first class was going on. And till 15 minutes I have continuously speaking English. Then she told, oh, can you do a challenge for 24 hours speaking in English? So I thought, nice idea for making a video, but 24 hours is more now. Like 15 minutes, 20 minutes is okay. 24 hours. Then I accepted because I'm not a fool. But now I'm thinking I am a fool. Why I accepted this challenge? I should decline this. Okay guys, I want to ask you something. You play Roblox? If yes, then nice. I love Adopt Me, but I love escape games more than Adopt Me. I have 4. In Adopt Me, someone will ask me which pet you love. I will tell Shiba Inu. And Mythic have came. They are already released, but I am not taken yet. Idea. I'm from at least from 5 weeks. I'm working on making neon Shiba Inu. But my one Shiba Inu is post-teen, and my second Shiba Inu is fully grown. My third Shiba Inu is junior, and my fourth Shiba Inu is newborn. I'm making a neon Shiba Inu. Even I want a neon narwhal. I want to make a neon narwhal, but that is not possible. I don't have at least one narwhal. I need 4 narwhals to make neon narwhal. Anyways, okay. I would like to have neon mega rideable Shiba Inu. No. I am making a neon rideable Shiba Inu, but I would like to have neon mega rideable Shiba Inu. But it's okay. I even wanted a golden unicorn. My friend Rida, I told just now, my best friend, she had a diamond ladybug, but now it was gone because my second friend Graha reported her, but now she got her diamond ladybug back. She has a golden ladybug also. Nice, na? When I wanted a ladybug, not diamond ladybug, like at least not diamond, golden, normal ladybug, but I don't have a normal ladybug also. Diamond ladybug and golden ladybug is too. You can see that. What can we do now? So, I guess now it's my study time. So I'm gonna do study. Bye. Hi guys, so this is my part 3. So here's my sister. So I told you she will come at around 5. Hi guys. So you know what we are doing? I told you na, speaking English challenge for 24 hours. Hey, you wanna do this pillow fight? Yeah. So I will give you one pillow. Thank you. So guys, we are going to do pillow fight as I told you. So we will start. Yeah. So we will start like. Come on. Wait. Let's stand in the bed and let me on. 1, 2. No. You can come here. Be careful. That's good.
मैं ऐसे ही रहती हूँ.
No need. And the good job then you can. So will we start? 1. Wait. One. So I'm scared. And this fan is not stopping on me. Stop.
So yeah guys, will we start it?
Wait. Please don't go on my laptop. 1, 2, 3 and start. Woo! We need to save ourselves. Okay, wait. Next round. In next round, what we need to do is, suppose if my pillow touches your any body part like this, so my 1 point and your 0. And if your pillow touches my body parts, then your 1 point and my 0. Okay, and 1, 2, and 3, start. So we need to wait. So 1, 2, 3, start. Okay, so it's over now. Now I need to tell you something. Tomorrow I'm going Lucknow, and I will stay for 4 days. No, it is not compulsory to go. It is not. So I'm asking you, should I go or stay here? I will only go for No, I will not go for 4 days. I can go for 4 days, but my mom is asking me. So guys, tomorrow I guess I am going Lucknow, but not me. It is not compulsory that I am going. My mother is going and my father is going tomorrow. It is not compulsory that I need to go. So should I go, Khushi Didi?
Yes.
Yes, I should go. Alright, I will go for 4 days then. So, no, I will not go for 4 days. I will go for only like 1-2 hours. And I will come back at night. So, I guess we can't play tomorrow. No. See, I will... No. I will play tomorrow, but I will need to go also. What is this? OMG, I make the... Is this yours?
No.
Okay. Can you please move a little bit?
This is a toy.
Can you move a little bit? I need to stand. So guys, now let's take the camera. So guys, speaking English challenge is over now. So guys, that's for today's video. If you like this video, please subscribe
Like, share, and subscribe.
subscribe. Bye guys. Bye.